Want to quickly add an email signature in Sogo Webmail? This video will show you how. First, log into your Sogo Webmail account. Now, let's see how the email signature appears in a new email after adding it. To add email signature, click the gear icon in the top left section and go to Mail Preferences. Select Mail. Go to the IMAP Accounts tab and click the pencil icon next to your email address. Expand the Identities section and select your email profile to edit. Type or paste your signature text into the signature field. Click OK on the identity form, then click the Save Changes button. Your mail signature have been added.